Typecasting converts a data frame column's data type, essential for data quality. You perform it using the *type method directly on the series, like *def column *type new _type . It's vital when data loads incorrectly. For example, numbers as strings, or for memory optimization by using more specific types. This ensures accurate calculations, proper filtering, and compatibility with other analytical tools. For illustration, we'll use Seaborn's TIPS dataset. First, load it. Import Seaborn as SNS. TIPS equals SNS, load _dataset. TIPS. To ensure total bill is a float, you'd use TIPS. Total bill equals TIPS. Total bill. *type float. Similarly, making size an integer with *TIPS. Size equals TIPS. Size. *type int. Ensures your data behaves as expected for robust analysis. The example begins by loading the Seaborn TIPS dataset and displaying its initial structure and data types. This initial step establishes a baseline for understanding how data is typically loaded into a pandas data frame. The df.info output is crucial here as it shows the current data types of each column, which can include integers, floats, and objects, typically strings. The first typecasting scenario demonstrates how to correct a numeric column, total_bill, that might have been loaded as a string. Object type. We intentionally convert total_bill to a string. Total_bill as _str. To simulate this common real-world problem. The explanation highlights that mathematical operations on string columns are inefficient, prone to errors if non-numeric values are present, and do not provide the correct numerical interpretation. The *type float method is then used to convert the string column back to a numeric float 64 type, total_bill cleaned, enabling correct and efficient mathematical computations like calculating the mean. The second scenario illustrates the importance of typecasting for memory optimization and performance. Using the day column. Initially, day is an object type, string, since it has a limited number of unique values, low cardinality. Converting it to a category type using *type category is beneficial. The example shows that this conversion significantly reduces memory usage compared to the original string column, making the data frame more memory efficient, especially for larger datasets. Categorical types also improve the performance of certain operations like value_counts and group by. The final df.info confirms the successful type changes for the newly created columns.